Hello everyone, here's Nico. Welcome to my channel. In the previous two videos, I have used one case study to define the product vision and product strategy, and also has already dated related to development plan and technical review. In this video, I will talk about how to measure the success of the product. Let's go. In my previous two videos, it's all related to one case study. The scenario is about you have the all ridership data from New York's public transportation system. You have discount data lasts for 20 years, and we need to design a product concept that can leverage discount data. In the previous two videos, we have talked about how to identify this product vision and strategy. And in the second video, we have already know that how I do the initial development plan and technical review. So in this last video related to this case story, I wanted to talk about how to measure the success of this data product. Before we measure the success of one platform or one software or app, the first thing what we should do is to identify the goal of the product. As you can see, when I'm talking about in the initial development plan, I have already identified the goal of the product. So it's here just to repeat the information. Let us just record the memory about it. The goal is to acquisition because the product, it is a startup project and everything need from zero, do not have a good user base. So definitely we need to focus on acquisition. Also, you can understand its user adoptions. It's to attract more business clients to have the subscription to our this digital solution product. And after we already know the goal of the product, the next step, we need to map the customer user journey. For example, the first step, you must need to, the business clients, they will have the willingness to open or relocate a retail store. And next step, they will lose their mind. They do not know where they should open. Maybe they will search on website, or maybe they need to ask some friends or business partners to get the information. Step, they will open our website or download our app to know the information that they have interested with. And next step, they will sign up, subscribe to be our customers and to pay to us and to get service that from us. And we can provide them the customized information that is very important to them based on the information what we have got from them. Next, we will show them the locations that is best fit for our clients. And next step, they will give us some reactions about the showing locations. Maybe they will save it or like it or dislike it or discard this location. And final step, they will make sure where they will open the shop. And our customer success department team will help them, will support them to provide them any digital information that can help them to open their shop and to reduce their risk of failure. So this is just a very easy one kind of retail clients, their user journey. Why I need to map the user journey? Because from this, I can identify product metrics that is important for us to measure the success of our product. So in the final step, as you can see, I list my different product metrics. First, if it is website, we need to track the traffic that is on the website per day. And we also need to track the conversion rate. What the conversion means, it is the new user come to our website and they achieve the action. What the action is? It is to sign up to be the member of our service. And the third will be the number of subscriptions sent us per day, per week. And the fourth will be the number of customized information per day. And this one is about the number of showing information that is being provided by us to our clients. For example, the locations that has been provided per day. This is the number of reactions we got from our clients per day. For example, it can be the comments, can be the interactions, can be the save, can be like this kind of reactions. This one is related to session length per user per day. When they open our website, how long they stay in our website. This is related to session interval per user per day. Like one day, normally one person, how frequently they come to our website. This is related to the number of contactions with our customer success department. And this is related to Net Promoter Score. From this, we can know that our clients, whether they like to share our product to their friends or not. This is the customer satisfaction survey. From this, we can know that our product is really satisfied by our customers. Did our product really bring value to our customers? So within this 11 metrics, I need to choose the North Star metric and the counter metric. And before we do this, we need to record our memory when our goal is to acquisition, the user adoption, to attract more business clients to be our members of our service. So I choose the North Star metric. It is the number of subscriptions or sign-ups per week. And just in case that we just only focus on this metric, North Star metric, and maybe we will lost our mind, go astray. So I choose the counter metric will be the conversion rate. Because in some cases, the number of subscriptions can be high, but if the conversion rate is low, it is meaning our product is not very attractive to our users. That is the reason why I choose the conversion rate to be our counter metric. And we already have identified the North Star metric and the counter metric. We also need to think about some guardrail metric. So for example, the bad information that we provided to our clients, they had a complaint about this information. For example, the locations has been provided. And this can harm our customer satisfaction and experience definitely. This is bugs and technical problems. Definitely, we have challenge when we are introducing the new technical procedures. So definitely, we have the new bugs, we have the new technical problems. So this can be tricky for a product because it can affect our customer satisfaction. And the next, it is the complaints that we receive from our clients. Can be on our social media, can be on the community, and so on. So these three different kind of metrics is what I mentioned that is related to guardrail metric about our product. So in summary, when I am the product manager, if I have the data related to New York passport transportation system and I need to build a digital solution product, I first need to identify the product vision and product strategy. We need to think not just from a product side, we also need to think from marketing, business, customers. These all different kind of segments. And actually, the target customers is our retail business clients. And I mentioned what the product will be like and what is the revenue mode will be. And also what the goal of our own company and the vision of the product is. And right now we already have the big picture and the scope statement about this product. Next, we need to do initial development plan and technical review. From this, we need to identify the goal of the product, and we also need to brainstorm the pinpoints, the need of our target users, and we need to list some solutions of the pinpoints. Because I'm just doing the case study, so I wanted to make things to be clear and easier. So I choose the top priority pinpoints, and I choose the solutions just related to top priority pinpoints. But in real life, in real situation, when you are working, you need to bring many different pinpoints and needs, and you need to prioritize them. And according to the most important pinpoints, maybe it can be 2 or maybe it can be 3. You need to brainstorm the solutions related to them. And after, you also need to prioritize the solutions with your cross-functional team and also other internal stakeholders. And next, you need to do the technical review. You need to identify the roadmap. This is the communication tool. And also you need to think about the technical challenges and the impacts what we have. And also what kind of management methodology we need to use when we are producing these products. And last but not least, we need to measure the success of the product. Everything is focused on the goal of the product. And we need to map the user journey. From the user journey, we need to list some product metrics that relate to our goal, acquisition, and to choose the North Star metric, counter metric, and also do not forget the guardrail metric. That's it. This will be the last video related to this case study. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please make your own history and see you next time.